Hey, have you heard about the Introduction to PHP course by Let Solutions?
No, I haven't. What's it about?
It's a course designed for beginners to learn the basics of PHP for web development.
That sounds interesting. Why is it important to learn PHP?
PHP is one of the most popular server-side languages and plays a huge role in web development. By learning PHP, you can produce your own dynamic, interactive websites.
What will I learn in the course?
You'll learn the basics of PHP through hands-on application and examples every step of the way. By the end of the course, you'll have built a fully functional math flashcard app and templated out a website to demonstrate your practical knowledge.
That sounds like a great way to learn. Do I need any prior experience or special skills?
No, the course is designed for beginners, so no prior experience or special skills are required to take the course.
That's great to hear. I'll definitely check it out.
It's a great opportunity to learn a valuable skill for web development.